Hi guys, and welcome back to the craft room. Today I want to introduce you some pour paint ideas. Ta-da! I love making seashells out of pour paint. I made a vase, and these are really fun because you really can't make a mistake with pour paints. So they are fun and easy to use, and let's get started. Okay. So here we have some pour paint. So pouring your paint over is very different than painting with it. These are technically acrylic kind of paints, so they dry fairly fast. So how you use them and to get these or the vase, or I made one of these coasters as well, is that you just pour it on. So I use a cover, or there you go. This is like a lunch meat container. So, and then you just drop it up wherever you like. And the best part is that you can lift the seashell and just let it pour the way that you like. It will be easier if a lot of times the seashell itself is, this might be kind of messy. It's a little bit harder because of the way that this seashell is. It has curves and, but yeah, no brushes needed. Let's put a little bit of silver there as well, there. And now if I can just find somewhere to lift it up again. Here you go. And that's the fun of pour paints. When you're pouring it on, you never know what it's going to look like. In this case, if you would like, you can use a brush to cover up the little, I use knitting needle on some of the occasions to get very tiny little details and trying to get the paint everywhere. So knitting needle actually works really well. And getting all this, it makes this really intricate kind of details on the paint, as you can see. I can show it to you closely. Our creation is not done yet, but as you can see, it's really fun. I like these kind of paints and projects that are easy to do for everyone to enjoy, and you cannot make a mistake. Sure enough, gets a little messy, but hey. And here we have I'm gonna do a coaster for this one, or you could even drill a hole and make it an ornament if you like. But let's see how this one is. This is a little bit more, oh, this isn't open. Let's try this one. So, there you go. Just pour it on. Let's pour some white on. Okay, white. Apparently, I should probably shake these paints before pouring. And again, I use my knitting needle to create these, or you can go ahead, lift it up, and do it this way. So this creates a different kind of effect and reminds me of a beach, doesn't it? Yeah. So we can work on the paint this way as well. So it's just gonna drip down all the way. There it goes. And for the rest of the beach part or something, I can always move it with, I like knitting needle. I don't know why it works for me, but this is the way to do art as well. So we could pretend that the wood is the beach there, and these are the waves, and we can move it around. If you really don't like the feel of the knitting needle, then use a brush. But the idea is that we're just gonna pour the paint and let the paint do its magic. So in this case, if you like more white, we can still add more. Oh yeah, the white needed to be shaken up. You're a terrible white. I do love these colors. There you go. There's white. So that's an ARTEZA brand. And there you go. See, now you can see how it works around itself. And there it goes. So, yes, fun stuff with pour paints. It looks like a lady or something. I'm going to pour it down in here. And as I said, it's a little messy work, but fun. And you cannot make a mistake. But hey, we can always wash it off. Yes, back to the washing board. Gotta go and wash my hands. Okay, I hope you had fun exploring the possibilities of pour paints and making something very unique and fun. You never know how it's going to turn out. And that's the beauty of it. I like the brand that I use today, but you can surely explore other options or use a brush to cover up those or the magical wand. Yes, when it comes to vases, the flat bottoms are really easy because you pour it from here and then it just flows down. It is a little bit trickier, so I would probably start with this one and start with something flat. Even the seashells gave me some trouble, but hey, it's all fun. All right, thank you so much for joining, and please subscribe. If you have any questions, I'll be delighted to answer. And thank you for visiting the craft room. I will see you next time. Bye.